Hey, are you looking for the best way to open up those airways naturally?
This is a menthol shower steamer recipe, and you are going to love the way these ingredients interact with steam to help open up airways when you're not feeling well. So let's get started. To make this recipe, you will want your monthly essential oil recipe box. Find your recipe card, grab labels. You'll also want menthol crystals, fir needle essential oil, and eucalyptus essential oil.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to want to grab your solid coconut oil.
To start, we are going to melt 2 tablespoons of solid coconut oil. We're going to melt it so that it's hot enough to melt our menthol crystals. Our menthol crystals are kind of the secret ingredient to making breathing really easy for this recipe. All right, so now that this is hot, we're going to add our menthol crystals, 1 teaspoon, and allow them to dissolve in the coconut oil. Next, we're going to add our essential oils to dilute them, and we will use 5 drops of each. Okay, stir that, make sure the essential oils are spread throughout the liquid. And last but not least, we're going to stir in the baking soda. The key to getting shower steamers that aren't crumbly is making sure you get an even consistency between the oil and baking soda. All of the baking soda needs to have oil on it, otherwise it will crumble. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to press this mixture into a mold. We have this fun leafy autumny mold, but you can use a cupcake tin, ice cube tray, or anything like that will work too. I'm just gonna even it out a little bit. Next, we're gonna allow this to set. We can put this in the fridge to help them set quicker, or you can leave them out to dry for at least 24 hours. It may take longer than that depending on your climate. Here's what they look like finished, all set up. All you need to do is put one of these in the bottom of your shower. The hot water will naturally allow this to melt, and it helps and release the essential oils and menthol to help soothe your airways. This can make the bottom of your shower slippery, so be mindful of that as you are using them. To learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity with recipes like this one, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box.
You'll get everything you need to make this recipe and more. Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe now.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. So let's figure out how we can. Oh my God.
So let's figure out.